Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about de-shuttering time of different RCC member. Okay, so that means when we use shuttering or when we use framework for before casting or before concrete casting. So after that, after which time we'll remove that. So in this video I will going to discuss that. So let's start. And if you're new here, you can watch our previous video, and also they have many video about civil engineering basic and software related. So let's start. So de-shuttering time of different RCC member. So in left side the it will denote the RCC member, and the right side it will define the time. So first of all, if we discuss about for column, wall and vertical formwork. Okay, so here actually you have to see that the compression member, column, wall, vertical formwork, so this is both elements are compression members. So its de-shuttering time are 60 hours to 24 hours, 16 hour to 24 hours. And actually it's totally depend on the site engineer's mind, and 1 day to 2 days it is a good time to remove that. So I mean it is very safe. So after that it is soffit framework to slab. I mean if we use soffit framework, okay, I mean the framework like soffit, and if we use for slabs, then we are able to remove that for 3 days. But they have a condition: pros to be refixed after removal. Okay, pros to be refixed after removal. So after that, if we see soffit to beams pros, soffit to beams pros. So if we use soffit framework for beams, it can be removed after 7 days. Okay, it's removing days 7 days, but pros to refixed after removal, they have same condition. So for slab, but it should be soffit framework, its removal time is 3 days, and soffit to beams pros, its removal time is 7 days. So beam spanning up to 4.5 meter, I mean if the beam span is up to 4.5 meters, I mean if the beam span is less than 4.5 meter or equal to 4.5 meter, then we can remove the shuttering after 7 days. Okay, we can remove that shuttering after 7 days. But if the beam is spanning over 4.5 meter, I mean if the column to column distance, I mean the distance between two columns where a beam is connected, and if this span length is more than 4.5 meter, then we have to remove that beam shuttering after 14 days. So after that, arches, I mean arch span up to 6 meter. If the arch span is equal or less than 6 meter, then after 14 days we are able to remove our shuttering. Okay, and arch spanning over 6 meter, its de-shuttering time is 21 days. Now here one thing, for soffit framework to slab and soffit framework to beam, here you have to actually think one thing, that you can remove shuttering from the site, okay, site shuttering, but you can remove the support shuttering, okay, the which are supporting that beam or slab, you can remove that. You have to understand about that, you can remove that. Okay, so you have to remove it with the beams, okay, with the beams. So that was our de-shuttering time of different RCC member. And if you need much more information about civil engineering topic, you can comment me or mail me, so I'll try to make that according to requirement. So if you're new here, you can press the like button and also share that video. And if you think that video is helpful, leave a comment, your own like, your own comment inspire us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video and support your School of Civil Engineering channel. So thank you very much.